So let them know.
Well, it looks like I wasn't recording audio for the first half of this video. So today we're gonna be showing you how to do a nice cheap whoopsie daisy. So enjoy voice over me in my nice sultry voice, cause I'm not gonna. I can't redo the work.
No, let's scrape it all. We'll do it again. We'll scrape it all up.
No. We are halfway done. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a nice, cheap, easy car mod for less than 50 bucks. It's really crazy what just painting your calipers will do for your car, and especially your wheels. All you're gonna need is some nice scrubby Scotch-Brite pads, a little bit of 320 grit sandpaper, and then 1 to 2 cans of it's got to be high heat. I recommend this VHT stuff because it's really good, but really you're just going to need any high heat paint, and then of course a high heat clear coat as well. And all that stuff together should run you less than $50. Step 1, take your wheels off. Step 2, look at how your shitty cheap brake pads destroyed your brake caliper. Step 3, grab your box of bullshit. I forgot to mention, I'm doing this a little bit ghetto. I don't want to have to re-bleed my brakes, so I'm just taking the caliper off and then scrubbing down the caliper with our Scotch-Brite pads to get rid of any dirt, grime, and whatnot. And then after that, we're going to be hitting it with the 320 grit sandpaper until it's just smooth enough to grab the paint. And once it's done being sanded, we're going to paint it directly on the disc, because I don't want to re-bleed the brakes. And before you even start touching the paint, don't forget to mask off your bleeder valve, your sliding pin boots. Just don't forget to mask off what you don't want to paint. Update, we are halfway done, just about to put the wheels on, and they came out pretty sweet. I like them. I like how they came out. So we just gotta put the wheels on, put the wheels down, drop the car, do the other side, and then for less than 50 bucks, we have brand new shiny calipers, and it's really gonna add to how cool the car looks. We got the right side all prepped up. Hit them with the Scotch-Brite. Hit them with the Scotch-Brite, and hit them with the 320 grit. So now they nice and smooth. And we about to blast this hoe with the paint. Give it about 3 coats of paint and then 2 coats of clear. And I'll see you guys for the finished product. All right, well, I pretty much finished up. So don't forget to lube up your brakes and your sliding pins. Just by the way, I'm sure you know how to do brakes. Finished result, clear coat looking nice and shiny. Rears look beautiful. And the fronts look just as beautiful. Let me show you what they look like with the wheels on, so you can really just know how banger of a car mod this is. Best car modification, let's go. These shits look so hard, bruh. I'm about to blow. These shits are so fucking hard. I think they came out really good. I'm not gonna lie. So, what do you think? For less than $50, and your shit looking clean like that? Not bad at all. What do you guys think? You gonna paint your calipers the ghetto way for less than $50? Or you about to take all them shits off, do it the right way, fine sand them, layer a primer, layer a paint, layer a paint, layer a paint, and then at the end of the day, you still gotta bleed the brakes? Too much work. Too much work. So, what do you guys think? Are you guys gonna do it the ghetto way that Papa Kalon done showed you today? Or are you about to do it the long way and spend all this extra money doing all your thing? You tell me in the comment section below. Let's cut to the B-roll.
shit boxes everywhere out here, man.